Welcome, my name is Edoardo Baldi, and in 2019 I got a phone call and they asked me, would you like to go to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia and do a pop-up Baldi for 14 days? And of course my answer was no way. And the reason why I say no way is because I live Baldi in Beverly Hills. I'm here day in and day out. And the idea of leaving for 14 days and abandoning this restaurant wasn't something that I could accept. However, after talking to several people and getting different opinions, I decided to take on this incredible journey that became a roller coaster full of highs and lows. It became a beautiful journey for me and a really amazing learning experience. And unfortunately, I didn't have the luxury of going there 2 weeks before and getting everything ready for a big first night. I only had 36 hours. And what happened was amazing. It was amazing in many different ways, as you will see. So this story of 11 episodes is a story of triumph and misery and wins and losses, as you will see. So join me. I hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it for you.
For us, this pop-up will mean going to Riyadh, a place that none of us have ever been to before. It means shipping our most delicate foods because we won't have time to make them there. And so when we go there, we need to make sure that everything is at a certain level. We don't expect it to be perfect, but at a certain level that we can hit the ground running in a very short amount of time. And we want to leave there with people feeling like they got the experience and that they had a wonderful time like they would if they were in Beverly Hills.
I've never worked in such a shit fucking environment. We're here to work, not to play, Ay, 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 ay. What a disaster. Can't believe I'm just in this situation. Unbelievable. This fucking disorganized shit. We're not even getting vegetables. Where are the vegetables? I mean, can you imagine we can't get eggs and milk? This is out of the fucking mind. Are you kidding me right now?
To say it was a shit show is like an understatement. It was like a hurricane and a tornado and a massive earthquake and a fire. We still don't have our produce. We don't have a working kitchen. They didn't get us the right equipment.
Everyone else is already preparing. We can't do anything. We don't even have the oven. I told them exactly what I needed and they screwed me over. It's okay. So pissed.
Everything that could go wrong. The front of the house totally messed up. We fired 2 staffs.
Okay. Look, I work very professional. Okay, quiet. What is this? They look like a circus over here. Why are they even out there? Tell them to go home, all of them.
I was literally sitting in my office, and then I got a beep on the walkie-talkie saying that Restaurant 4 at Baldi water was out. So when the water is out, you know that this is a problem because the chef would want to use the water to clean dishes, to prepare the food and all that. So once I got this emergency call, I went to the back of the house where I had to check all these tanks, and the tanks were literally empty. It was a bit of a chaos, but then, because we've been in this business for years and years and years, we know how to overcome all these problems. And I was sitting there with Rachel, and I was literally on top of that tank, telling her, do you have water or you don't?
There's water? Yes or no?
Yeah, it was pretty fun, to be honest with you.
Okay, you gotta pull it and put it in, okay?
Yeah, let me do it this morning. Possible?
Not gonna work. I gotta stay here because you guys fucked it up. You're gonna stay here and fix it. I'm sorry. It's the only way it's gonna work. Because I'm suffering, you guys have to suffer too. Okay?
Actually, they have someone open the place from here, right?
I'm sorry. I need this oven to work tonight. You call somebody, do something, whatever you have to do, this oven's gonna work tonight, okay? I'm so pissed. Oh man. What happened? There's no organization. Zero. Yeah, everything's fixable. It's just like, wow. I've never been like under these circumstances. Even when the restaurant's like duct breaks or the air conditioning stops or whatever, it's nothing like this situation. I'll tell you that. There was one moment I couldn't even see. It was so smoky. It's not right. I mean, never say never, but I don't think I'm coming back. No way. Again, I'm happy and honored to be here, but at the same time, how can you work under these conditions? You just can't. 10 o'clock. Yes. Yeah? Long day, I know. I'm sorry. Long day. Yeah. You take a break, not in between. You take a little break, yes? Okay. But you have to make sure that everything is put away here. Everything organized. Because I have many things to do, so please make sure everything is clean and organized, yes? Okay. Yeah, come tomorrow, yeah. I come. Where am I gonna go? I have to come. I don't want to come, but I come, yes? They're worried I'm not coming. Oh, I'm laughing because or I break down and cry or I laugh.